In this video, I will show you how to delete all liked videos on YouTube. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are. As you can see, we're currently here on YouTube. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is come down to the bottom right hand corner and press onto your profile icon, which says you just down here. From here, what you're going to want to do is come up to the top right hand corner and press onto this gear icon to open up your settings. Now in this menu, you want to locate the option which says manage all history. So you can see that's just here. Go ahead and give that a press. And what that's going to do is open up a website like this. Now from here, what you're going to want to do, if you look at the top, we got some different options. We got histories, controls and interactions. You want to go ahead and press onto interactions. Then from here, you can see the video interaction section. So what we can do is press onto video likes and dislikes. And it's going to show you all the videos that you've currently liked. So what you can do is go through and individually delete liked videos from here. However, if you do want to go ahead and delete all your liked videos on YouTube, what you need to do is simply come up to the top, press onto the three dots just up here. And from the short menu that comes up, you want to click on to delete all. So what's going to happen, we're going to get a pop-up window like this, and it says delete your likes and dislikes on YouTube videos activity from all time. Your activity will be permanently deleted from your account and no longer tied to you. There's a little link there to learn more about deleting your activity. What you want to do from this screen is come down and press the blue delete button. And once you've gone ahead and done that, that's going to go ahead and delete all liked videos on YouTube. So that is how to delete all liked videos on YouTube. With that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.